Hi, Lee Phillips here again. I am taking my grandchildren on a little trip this week, and before I go, I need to get a power of attorney from their mother and dad so that I can act on their behalf. And you say, well, why do I need to do that? Well, it's very easy, because if there is a problem and the children have to go into a hospital, there's an accident or anything else, I can't call the medical shots for them. I can't make the legal decisions for them without that power of attorney. So anytime you have a minor child with you, you should really have a power of attorney on behalf of that child. Now, when I pick up the kids and go down to the grocery store with them, I don't have a power of attorney. But if you're going to go out of the country, you've obviously got to have a passport, but you also have to have a durable power of attorney for the child so that you can act on their behalf. They're not going to let you on the cruise ship. They're not going to let you on the airplane without some sort of a power of attorney saying that you have the ability to be the legal representative of this child. And the primary issue where I can see it comes into play very succinctly is if there's a medical issue with the child. You need to be able to make those medical decisions, and the only way that you can do that is to have a power of attorney. Now, I have put the dates of the power of attorney, and I will, if you send me an email, I will give you one of these, a little sample of one of these powers of attorney. It's just a one-page thing. So email me, and we can get that to you. But it allows me to, I've dated it the day I leave, and I've dated it 4 or 5 days after I'm supposed to come back. The reason I did that was because if there is an accident, I'm going to be on the East Coast, Mom and Dad are on the West Coast. It's going to take a few days to get them to where the child is so that they can start to make those decisions. In the meantime, I'm going to have to be able to act with the doctors, with the police department, with whoever I need to act on the child's behalf. So I've dated it past when I think I'm going to come back, so that if I don't get back for some reason, I still have authority to work with that child in a legal capacity. This is Lee Phillips reminding you that you should have a power of attorney for a child anytime you take them for an extended period of time, or if Mom and Dad leave town and Grandma and Grandpa are babysitting at home, they need the power of attorney at that point to take care of the kids, because Mom and Dad are on the cruise. They can't make the legal decisions for the kid. And Grandma and Grandpa, who are babysitting, need the power to make those decisions, even though they're at the child's home. So don't forget, send me an email if you want that. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube. We're doing pretty good on it, actually, and I think the information's okay. If you actually have something you want me to talk about, drop me a note, and I'll certainly consider it. My ignorance is profound, as I always say, so I may not know anything about what you want to know about. But give me a note, and we'll see what we can do on it. Like I say, don't forget to subscribe. Lee Phillips talking on a child's power of attorney.